I was made redundant on maternity leave, so I built a solo business from the Playroom. Today, I run the whole thing on my own. No team, no VA, no developer. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, so any owner running lean can do the same. 2 years ago, I was on maternity leave with my second child, and the firm I was a partner at told me there simply wasn't any work to keep me on. One phone call and that was it. I sat there holding a baby and realised the safety net I'd built my entire career on has been pulled out from under me. My first reaction was fear. My second was a decision. Getting a job at that level again was hard enough, with no guarantee of it happening again. I had to future-proof myself and make myself unfireable. And everyone thought I was crazy. I was like, why aren't you just sending out your CV? But I knew setting something up myself was the right move. So I started Quantum Lane right here, actually, in the Playroom, half asleep, laptop balancing on one arm and holding my sleeping baby in the other. And within weeks, I had clients. I was sending invoices, I had a brand. From the outside, it looked like it was working. But what you couldn't see was by the time I'd done the work, kept the lights on, paid all the software, answered the emails, there really wasn't much left. I was working harder than I had ever done as a partner and earning less. The maths just didn't make any sense. And here's the part that still embarrasses me. For 20 years before this, I was a lean consultant. Six Sigma, accelerated solution workshops. I worked with FTSE 100 companies, walking into rooms full of executives and showing them exactly where their money was leaking into wasted hours. I built a whole career out of finding hidden waste. And 2 years into running my own business, I had become the worst example of hidden waste I'd ever seen. I, the operations and strategy consultant, had built myself the worst organized job I'd ever had. And that was the moment everything changed. The thing I worked out slowly and painfully was the same thing I'd been telling FTSE clients for 2 decades. The money wasn't disappearing into expensive things. It was disappearing into hours. Hours moving data between tools, or rewriting the same emails, or updating dashboards that nobody actually read. So I taught myself how to wire AI around the tools I already owned, and I built an operating system that gives me these hours back. I call it Founder OS. I run the entire business solo, from the Playroom, on the school run, between nappies, and the path from here to partnership level income without the partnership headaches is visible. And that's the system I now build for other business owners. This channel is for the small business owner who likes to run lean, drowning in tools, drowning in tabs, drowning in their own work. If that sounds like you, then every video on this channel is going to show you how to wire AI around what you already have, so you can stop being the glue between your tools and start growing the business instead. I'm going to share everything, the stakes, the maths, and the exact system I run. If you want a head start, click the link below and download the 12-minute tool stack audit. It's the same one I use with paying clients to find their hidden profit leaks. And if you're wondering exactly why most owners in your position hit a profit ceiling and why hiring doesn't break it, then take a look at this video next.